Okay, so in this session we go for Java Bean. So introducing Java Bean, a software component is a reusable object that can be plugged into any software application. You can reuse or extend the functionality of the software component on the target application. Okay, software component is a reusable object. Reusable means what you can use it again and again. Okay, only once you have to develop or only once you write and you have to use that code uh, depending upon your requirement. So Java Bean are the software component that develop using Java language. So Java Bean is called as a reusable कोड कंपोनेंट. ओके, तो जैसे कि आप बोलोगे सपोज मुझे वोट एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया चेक करना है, तो मुझे वोट एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के लिए पहले जिसका एज 18 से ज़्यादा होगा तो हम उसके लिए कोडिंग लिखेंगे. तो सपोज मैं ऐसा कोई और एक एप्लीकेशन बनाऊंगा जहां पर एलिजिबिलिटी 18 से ज़्यादा होगा. तो वो जो 18 से ज़्यादा वाला जो कोडिंग है वो वोटिंग एलिजिबिलिटी में मैं यूज़ कर सकता हूँ. और किसी ऐसा एप्लीकेशन है जैसे कि कहाँ पर जॉब गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए चाहिए, वहाँ पर 18 से ज़्यादा का वैलिडेशन चाहिए, वो वैलिडेशन में वहाँ पर डाल सकता हूँ. लेकिन जब सेकेंड बार यूज़ करूँगा सो एट दैट टाइमिंग देर इज नो नीड टू राइट द कोड अगेन. मुझे और एक बार उसके लिए कोडिंग लिखना नहीं पड़ेगा आज बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी डिड दिस कोड. Okay, so that is called as the reusable code component. Like means once you have to write the code and based upon your requirement, you have to use it again and again. So Java beans
Sir,
are
that
reusable.
means
Uh,
one question.
uh,
So that means the function is a subprogram and it is written once and it can be used multiple times. Similarly, Java beans can be written once and it can be used multiple times, right?
you are using in the C sharp. You have some DLL file. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so DLL file is what? Like it is pre-compiled program. Function means
DLL
what?
files are
It is
DLL
library.
files are pre-compiled block of codes in which the intermediate language code are written.
हाँ, तो only you have to use. ओके, लेकिन फंक्शन में क्या होता है? फंक्शन इज ऑल्सो रीयूजेबल कोड कंपोनेंट बट एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू कंपाइल. लेकिन जावा बिन में क्या होता है? जो बेसिकली जो लाइब्रेरी फाइल में क्या होता है, वो कंपाइल्ड होकर बनावट होकर रहा है. सो यू हैव टू ओनली यूज इट. ओके, जैसे कि पैकेज फूड. ओके, लाइक पैकेज मसाला. ओके, जैसे कि आप चिकन करो और मटन करो तो उसमें क्या होता है, आपका जो मसाला है उसको बनाना पड़ता है. बट वहाँ पर एक पाउच मसाला मिलता है. सो यू हैव टू यूज इट, गार्लिक एंड ऑनियन पाउच पैकेट. So it is already made or it is already there. So you have to use it. So that is called as what? Like it is pre-compiled, it is pre-prepared. Similar way, Java Bean also like that. So you have to like make this code as a pre-compiled type of thing and you have to use when there is a requirement. Okay.
Okay,
So Java
okay.
Bean exists in one of the following three phases. तीनों फेज में रह सकता है. तो अभी तो हमने बोल दिया रीयूजेबल कोड कंपोनेंट, लेकिन रीयूजेबल कोड कंपोनेंट का भी तीन तीन तो तरीका है. एक एक कंस्ट्रक्शन फेज में रख सकते हैं, बिल्ड फेज में रख सकते हैं और एग्जीक्यूशन फेज में रख सकते हैं. तो अभी हम चलते हैं, एक बिल्डिंग बनाएंगे. ओके, एक सपोज एक घर बनाएंगे. एक एक कंस्ट्रक्शन फेज मतलब उसको जमीन दे देना है बाउंड्री घुमाकर, बस तुम जो भी करना है वहां पर करो. बिल्ड फेज, बिल्ड फेज मतलब उसका सब क्या करेंगे ना, एक पिलर फिलर उठाकर बस एक रूफ डाल देंगे एंड वी हैव टू गिव द कस्टमर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट यू हैव टू गो फॉर पार्टीशन. तो कस्टमर उनके हिसाब से वो पार्टीशन करेगा. और एक है एग्जीक्यूशन फेज, मैंने ले लिया काम, बस पूरा कंप्लीट करके घर का डिजाइन के साथ उनको हैंड ओवर करूंगा, भाई तुम घुसो. So it is having a three phase. One is construction phase, means you have to define a prototype and you have to give the user is using that class, and according to their requirement they have to change it. Another is a build phase. Build phase means some of the part it is what interfered by the user, and it is controlled by the developer also, means both are responsible here. And another is execution phase, means it is totally like I just telling that it is purely compiled and there is no intervention of the user, only you have to use it. So that is called the execution phase. Okay, ବୁଝି ହଉଛି ଅଙ୍କିତା, ସାଗର,
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
तुम्हें यहाँ बुझी होची? तुमको तो अभी मौसम का खाना पीना दिखाई दे, पढ़ाई थोड़ी, पकोड़ा, ढोकला, पनीर, गुपचुप नहीं मिल रहे तो उसका मूड ऑफ है। और कंपटीशन नहीं हुआ है? ओके, ये भी हैंग हो गया, फॉर्मेट करना पड़ेगा। सागर तुम्हारे सारे करेंट अच्छी तो जाऊचे आउचे जाऊचे आउचे या होचे आउ। ओके, कांस्टेंट रहून। अंकिता तुम्हारा करेंट अच्छी?
ସାର୍ ସେମିତି କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରହୁନି, ଆଉଛି ଯାଉଛି ଏମିତି ହଉଛି।
मधु
ସାର୍ ସିଏ ତ ଯାଉଛି ଆଉଛି ଯାହା କରୁଛି କରୁଛି, କାଲି ରାତି 2ଟାରୁ 6ଟା ଯାଏ କାଟିଦେଲା, ମୁଁ ରାତି ସାରା ଶୋଇନି।
कोई पाठ पढ़िया ପାଇଁ କହିଛି ଆଉ। Okay.
ନା ସେ ରାତି 2ଟାରୁ 6ଟା ଯାଏ କାଟିଦେଲା ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି, ମାନେ ଶୋଇନଥିଲି, ଆଜି ଦିନ 11ଟା ଯାଏ ଶୋଇଲି। ପୁଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯାଇନଥିଲା ରାତିରେ କରେଣ୍ଟ?
ନା
ଆମର କାଇଁ ଏତେ କରେଣ୍ଟ କାଟୁଛି କେଜାଣି, ବିଲ୍ ତ ଠିକ ଠାକ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି, ରାଗ ରଖିକି କାଟୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ।
ତପୋବନ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ କହୁଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ମାନେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ ସେଇଠି ଗଲେ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ହବ, କାହିଁ ଏଠି ଅଛ ଅଯଥା ସହରରେ। ସେ ବାହାରେ ବାତ୍ୟା ପବନ ଦଉଛି, ଗଲେ ବି ଡର ଲାଗୁଛି ଥଣ୍ଡାରେ କୋରୋନା ହେଇଯିବ।
ଦେଖ, the element of the Java Bean component are: one is property, it refers to the private data member of Java Bean that define the behavior of the Java Bean. Element of the Java Bean. Okay, so what are the elements are present? One is property, it refer to the private data member. Private data member money, that means you have to define. Java Bean means what? It is a Java class, and in the class what are the variable and function that you have to define. So that is belongs to this property method. Method refer to the public member function of Java Bean that are used to modify the Java Bean property. Method refer to the public member. Okay, means like the
ସାର୍
function
ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ,
property ଅଲଗା ରହିବ,
ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ, ଆଉ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ, ଆଉ ମେଥଡ ବି ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ।
ଅଲଗା ରହିବ।
ତାହେଲେ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ମେଥଡ ବୋଲି କେମିତି କୁହାହଉଛି?
property ଟା କୋଉଠି ୟୁଜ ହବ? property means what? Like the variable, ସେଟା କୋଉଠି ୟୁଜ ହବ? Either you have to use in a class or you have to use in a function. Function ଭିତରେ ହିଁ ତାକୁ କଲ୍ କରାହବ। ଆମେ ତ ଗୋଟେ member variable define କରିବା ସେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
variable ଟା ଆମର function ଭିତରେ ହିଁ call ହବ ନା
ହୁଁ
ବୁଝିବୁ
ऑब्जेक्ट थ्रो रे फंक्शन भितर कॉल हबो
हाँ किंतु Java Bean होची गोटे special type of class which is having no argument constructor means when you are creating a object of class the class is when you are creating an object then constructor is called but here it is called as a no argument constructor okay
से ता माने जावा बिन क्लास बनेला बेले डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर कॉल हबो
नहीं नहीं हमें constructor define करिवा किंतु सेठी किसी
आज्ञा
parameter रहइबनी no
पैरामीटर
argument
किछि रहइबनी
तो parameter किसी रहइबनी और से parameter value को retrieve करिया पे हमें get और set method यूज करिवा okay so next is event events refer to the message that one Java Bean component sent to the another component means you have to pass the information from one component to the another component that is called the event it refer to the message that an Java Bean component sent to the another component from one component you have to pass the message to the another component okay so the element of Java Bean components are one is property sorry the as per as the Java Bean component specification a Java object must support the following feature to become a Java Bean so how we can say the Java class is a Java Bean one is customization it is the ability of a Java Bean to allow its property to be changed during the build and execution phases so during the build and execution phase you have to change the property next is persistent the persistent is what it is the ability just a minute okay it is the ability of a Java Bean save its state to a disk or any storage device when the execution of the container okay execution of the container application containing the Java Bean is terminated that is also persistent so persistence se kon asibo it is the ability of a Java Bean to save the state to a disk or any storage device हमें जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हम वेरिएबल में स्टोर करेंगे तो इसको परमानेंटली एक डिस्क में और कोई स्टोरेज डिवाइस में स्टोर करेंगे उसके बाद है कम्युनिकेशन तो कम्युनिकेशन इज द एबिलिटी ऑफ ए Java Bean to inform the changes in its attribute to the other Java Bean or container application okay so communication is the ability of a Java Bean to inform the changes in the attribute to the other Java Bean attribute means what like your variable so if you do any kind of changes मतलब वेरिएबल में अगर कोई भी चेंजेस करते हो तो एक जावा बीन दूसरा जावा बीन क्लास को इन्फॉर्म करेगा then introspection is the ability to the Java Bean to allow the external application to query the property method and event supported by it so any external application can use the Java Bean application so that it is called as a reusable component reusable component means that component is used in other application the Java Bean component provides the following services so what are the services are there builder support it refers to the graphical user interface that enable you to create a group of various Java Bean in an application so it create a graphic user interface next is layout it allows the multiple Java Bean component to be arranged in a development environment so layout should be good interface publishing it allows multiple Java Bean component in an application to communicate with each other with the help of public interface so multiple Java Bean means one Java Bean is interacting with the another Java Bean by using of interface publishing and it is also having a feature of event handling it refers to the firing and handling the event तो ये जो Java Bean में आप event handling भी कर सकते हो as because you are using only Java class persistence It enable to save the last state of Java Bean. Means after all your work is over, you have to store the last action that you are perform in the Java Bean. It is stored permanently. Java Bean API, it provide a class and interface that enable you to create a 3 type of Java Bean. हम 3 टाइप जावा बीन बना सकते हैं. एक है आपका कंट्रोल जावा बीन और एक होता है आपका कंटेनर जावा बीन. कंटेनर मतलब कंट्रोल मीन्स प्रोसेसिंग, कंटेनर मीन्स that the user interface type of thing you have to pass. Invisible runtime Java Bean are used to create a component that perform the specific tasks in the background of an application. Means some Java Bean class you have to create which is run as services. First is used for create a plugged into any other application. Means you have to create an application that is plugged into another application. Container Java Bean, it is used to hold the other Java Bean. Invisible runtime are used to create a component that performs specific tasks in the background. So which is working as a service. So custom tag. So in Java Bean, we are using custom tag. The custom tag is a reusable code component defined by the user. So any code that you have to define, that code is again and again it is reused. Custom tag enable you to encapsulate the scripting code in the tag handler. Encapsulate means hiding the information. You need to include custom tag in the JSP page to reuse the JSP technology code. So custom tag is used in the JSP code. So now I go for this Java Bean. Just a minute. इसमें जावा बीन डिफाइन हुआ. अभी जावा बीन को हम एक्सेस करेंगे. इसका एक दिखाता हूँ. इसमें छोटा सा प्रोग्राम दिखाएंगे जावा बिन का कैसे काम होगा। Okay, so I show you the file, new project, जावा वेब, एक छोटा सा जावा बिन एप्लीकेशन हम बनाएंगे। बिन एक वेब पेज यहाँ पर क्रिएट हो जाएगा। Okay, so one JSP file is created. Before going to the JSP file, I just add one code. Okay, so in the source package, I create a package, right click, Java package, package name is P1, finish. Then I add a class, new, Java class. So I give a name as calculator, finish. Then I define here a function public void cube function. Parameter is intn. So what the function is returned? It will return n into n into n. This function will return n into n into n. Then in the JSP file, suppose here you delete the index file. Then right click in the web page. So click here JSP page. Give us home. Then here in HTML, add a tag. JSP colon use bin ID is equals to obj. Then your class is present where? Class is present in p1 dot p1 letter p1 calculator में. Okay, so here we are using bin. Then we call this part. So how to call? Now in scriptlet tag you have to use JSP scripting. Illegal start here. Okay, so in a scriptlet tag, you have to write a code. What to code you have to write? Now int m is equals to obj is what? Obj is a object. So obj dot function name is q. So already we import a package p1 dot calculator. So we are passing here suppose 7. Then this showing you out dot print cube of 7 is plus m. So I have to run the file. Home error आ गया.
सर ये HTML फाइल रे कोठी क्यूबटा डिफाइन ହେଇନି.
क्यूबटा डिफाइन ହେଇଛି. Calculate under.
ହଁ ଏଠି କ୍यूब डिफाइन ହେଇଛି.
Calculator. Hey, run. It will show the output.